recording. Okay, this is a Van Raemdonk family tradition for like over 40 years. It's called tea rings. And this is how you make them. You take 6 cups of flour and you make them in a big circle. Into that flour you put 2 teaspoons of salt. In the center you put 3/4 of a cup of shortening and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And 2 eggs. Then you cream this together. This is a tried and true method for the past 40 years. After you cream the shortening, eggs, and sugar together, you add about a half of a small bottle of almond. I think it's about 1/4 ounce. Mix that in with the mixture. And once you get that worked in all together, you take 2 cups of warm water and 5 tablespoons of yeast, and you start slowly working that into the cream, shortening, and sugars, slowly working the flour into the mixture. We'll get the plastic spatula out of there. Pancake turner, plastic. Okay, now you slowly work this. This is where our family is Dutch, and this is where the Dutch comes in, because you got to make this little dike with flour so it doesn't run all over the table. All this does is make a really good, tasty yeast dough that you make the rolls out of, which will be explained later in the video. I'm making my own video. This is the first time. This was my mom and her friends started doing this about in the mid-50s. And it's the first time we've had high-tech operations so we could actually put it on film. You don't have the haze of cigarette smoke like you used to back in the old days when everybody smoked. The kitchen would be full of the pleasant aroma of tea rings and tobacco. My godmother used to help make these, and she smoked about 2.5 packs a day. She died with only half a lung, go figure. Didn't take a rocket scientist to figure that.